Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Hello, Joe Sensen, YOCB Harbor. Okay, Eco West. Okay, hello, Lim. Okay, Jordan, hello. Okay, Hen Yuan, Sun Zhen. Okay, SNS Plytech, HSI 9988. Okay, like and share. Yeah, of course. Please help us to like. And also share this video lah so that we can get more viewers to tune in to our live session. Okay, so today we will go through the market outlook. Okay, let's warm up with the market outlook, which include the US market, OnGo, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support, resistance, long term, short term. Okay, so that I can give a better view lah. And disclaimer: all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation, or just for education purposes. Hello, good evening, Patrick. Okay, let's warm up first with the market outlook. Okay, so far US side, yeah, super bullish lah. As we can see, last week closing, market bounced from, okay, for Dow Jones, bounced from 42k and break above all-time high, create a new all-time high. Okay, even today, Monday, also still bullish lah, even though the market yet to open. Okay, so we can see market on Monday today already open gap up and going up. Okay, this is a weekly chart lah. Okay, and let's go for the S&P as well. Also quite bullish lah. Okay, they bounce from 5700 and break above 5009. Currently at 6000. Okay, 6026. So tentatively, market sentiment is still bullish in US. Okay, in US lah. And Nasdaq as well. Okay, create another new high above 21k. So so far yet to see any weakening lah. Okay, market is still very bullish. Okay, so we see any potential reversal. Okay, so far I would say market is bullish. Just stay cautious only lah. And how about the oil price? Let's go for the oil price. Okay, oil price a bit potong steam lah. We can see last week not so performing. Okay, they are not able to break above $72. Okay, for WTI, and they are coming down lah. Okay, I guess they might come down to retest $68, or yeah, if they break below $68, then oil may continue weakening. And for the gold price as well, a little bit retrace lah at the moment. Okay, we can see previous week they have a shooting star, a light candle, and then last week closed bearish. And at the moment they're at one of the support, 2660. Okay, for me in general 2006 is a more crucial level for the gold price lah. If they break below, then I think they may face some further retracement lah. Okay, don't understand why CPO price keep shooting. Okay, I also don't know. Okay, but I know they are still doing well. Okay, let's go for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing well. Okay, last week break above all-time high, and tentatively the bull is resume lah. Okay, I would say the bull just started. Okay, as you can see since last year October they have a rally. Okay, until somewhere in between March and April, and they started to ranging or slowing down. Okay, recently just break up and break up. Okay, seems like the bull just started lah. Okay, rumors say potentially hit 100k lah, so we see whether possible or not. Okay, so long they are above 71k, I will remain bullish on the Bitcoin. Okay, same to Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum has been sideways within this zone since August. Okay, last week just break above 2008, 2009. Okay, as long as they are above 2008, okay, I am still quite bullish with Ethereum. Okay, if Ethereum able to rally up further, then I guess other altcoins smaller coins may follow as well. Okay, Bitcoin really can TP 85 to 100k. Yeah, also okay lah. As long as your cost price is lower, then you want to take profit at where, also okay lah. Okay, as long as got profit, then good enough. Okay, and for our FBMK LCI, performance is not that great lah. Okay, as we can see they are still within this small downtrend channel. Last week closing, I would say okay only. We bounce up to 1640, but by end of week, kena press down. Okay, one of the important level 1625. I do mention before 1625 cannot break lah. Okay, but here what we can see on Thursday, they erase all the Wednesday gains. Okay, and break below 1625. Friday as well. Okay, officially close below 1625, and today come down lah. So based on here, I think our KLCI might retest 1600 or even go back to 1588. So take note, this is a crucial level for them lah. 1588. 1588. If break below, we may see more downside on the FBM KLCI. If they can get supported, then maybe got some hope lah. Okay, so yeah, about the CPO price, okay, I don't know why they rally. Maybe got some fundamental. I didn't read about that. Okay, but what we can see here, since June 2022, or May, June like that lah, until now, 2024, they been sideways. Okay, technical point of view, they already break out after consolidate for more than 2 years lah. So for me, this is a quite powerful move. Okay, so at the moment, yeah, they are still pulling out lah. I still haven't seen any weakening yet. Okay, just to take note, they have a gap down back in 2022 June. So somewhere between 5449 to 5253. Okay, this is a gap resistance. Okay, if they can clear above, we may see more upside. Okay, probably to 5,008 or 6,000 also possible. Okay, so at the moment they are approaching the gap resistance. So take note, this is one of the resistance. Maybe they might take a rest over there and only go up further. Okay, also possible lah. Okay, since they already tahan for 2 years already, once this breakout, or we can say they already consolidate or accumulate for 2 years already, I guess they won't let the price come down so easily lah. Tentatively, technical point of view. Okay, so let's go for the stocks Q&A. Okay, let's see. First one is a YOCB. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's see any potential stocks today. These counters, based on the chart, is quite illiquid. Okay, and you can see based on here, on Friday, they attempt to break 2 ringgit. Not successfully. Even today, high volume attempt to break. Closing also 199 only. Seems like they face some profit taking or they face some resistance over here lah. So moving forward, you take note on 190 lah. If they break below 190, most likely no game ready lah. Okay, stay above 190, maybe they will go sideways and have a second or third attempt again. Okay, technical point of view, I personally not really like due to the liquidity. Okay, I feel these counters are not many people trade. Maybe easily for them to do manipulation. Okay, here we can see a strong rejection here. So for me, macam they already hit the 200 MAs. So for me, the success rate would be lower lah. Okay. Okay, how about the Harbor? Okay, Harbor still alright. Okay, so far the volume quite healthy lah in my opinion. Okay, based from end of October until now, the average volume quite good, and including today. Okay, they also have a good volumes, and the price is above all moving averages. I would say these counters still alright. So we can put in a watch list lah. Okay, consider valid. Okay, as long as they are above 150, I remain bullish on them. And next level 160, 165. And yeah, ultimately it's about 180 lah, tentatively. BWYS, new counters. Okay, volume improve sikit. Momentum boleh tahan. Okay, this is a brand new counters back in July. So only 3 to 4 months time only lah. So IPO first day, pump. Then the next few days they wash down tentatively. They are in the sideways zone. So these counters, if they are not, they are waiting for the breakout above 270 lah. Or once they break out, maybe they might have some rally lah, or some range to go up lah. Otherwise, they might remain sideways. Okay, tentatively based on recent volume, I guess it's still alright lah. Okay, so either you can try and cut loss below 230 or wait for the breakout above 270. Okay, once they break above 270, I guess got chance to fill the gap somewhere around 330, 340. Okay, but new counters lah, huh? Okay, how about the EcoVest? Yeah. Okay, EcoVest, as I mentioned before, I think last Wednesday, right? I do say, they recover back above 355, 370 already. So take note on 40 cents. Okay, we see whether they can break through or not. Okay, unfortunately, Thursday unable to break through lah. Then Friday rejected. Today come back down. So yeah, back to your question is whether possible they might can go back to 40 cents or not. Okay, you take note on 355. Okay, if they close below 355, I think unlikely lah. Okay, but if they are able to stay above 355, maybe got another attempt to hit 40 cents. Okay, so I need them to really can close above 40 cents. We only can see more upside, maybe to 435 or 460. Okay, but since they already proven, they tested so many times unable to go through. So yeah, just be careful sikit lah. And this counter is below 200 MAs. So I would say above 355 still ada chance. Below 355 susah sikit lah. Okay, susah sikit. Okay, hello. Okay, 很远啊. Very far, 很远. 很远 macam habis sudah habis Okay, so this was the only spike up. Okay, then fail to stay above 200 MAs. Retest 200 MA also fail. So for me, the pump is over lah tentatively. Okay, even they break below 230 already. So I would say most likely they might continue sideways or continue downtrend. Okay, for me, nothing much exciting yet. Okay, for the 很远. Okay, for Shenzhen, mother share started to look not so good already lah. Okay, the mother share already started go below 200 MA. So be careful with your Sun Sun 115, 110 lah Below 110 memang no good lah. How about GUH? GUH also no good lah. Okay, downtrending already. The mother share downtrending below 200 MAs, below all moving averages. Okay, so far yet to detect any signal lah. So for me, bear continues. Okay, 2023, 2028. The Sun Warren is still new in my opinion, but the mother share not performing, the Sun also same lah. Okay, at the moment see nothing yet. Okay, still remain bear. Okay, bear is still in control. How about the SNS Wah, memang follow my plan macam mini go sideways Okay, I did it first So SNS, okay, back in 6th of November, they do have volume pump out lah. Okay, then the next 3 days, retrace down. Okay, erase all the gains. Okay, so tentatively for SNS, I would say chances is still there as long as they don't break. Okay, as long as they stay above 520. Okay, as long as they stay above 520, I guess the chances is still there. Okay, what I see here is they are still in the washing lah. Okay, washing stage lah. Okay, most likely they will started to go sideways around here. Okay, but if they go below 520, most likely tak berapa cantik already lah. At the moment, we put the last hope on the 200 MAs, which is a long-term support lah. Okay, hopefully they can stay above. Otherwise, I think they might face more challenge already. Okay, how about the Plytech? These counters so far so good. Okay, recently got volume pump up. Okay, since when? 1st of November when they break above 345. Okay, tentatively, okay, this is a new counters as well lah. Okay, tentatively, they face some resistance here, 385. Okay, so for me, you can see that previously they pump up, hit here, wash down, sideways. Okay, now second attempt. Okay, if happen, okay, for me lah, for me here, no matter how, do some partial profit also good lah. Okay, but if you want to fight more, then you need to hope that they can break and close above 385. Okay, once they can clear this level, I think 40 cents no problem lah. Then ultimately I will see until 435 lah. Okay, so this one pending for the breakout or wait for them to come back down, maybe 355 like that. That's support lah. Okay, HSI. Okay, let's go back to HSI. A bit disappointed this country. Okay, HSI. If we look at the weekly point of view. Okay, previously my analysis is the selling started to slow down. Okay, but last week closing you can see they opened here, they push up to here, but by end of week they smash down. So based on here, you can see this is a weekly shooting star resisted by 200 weeks moving averages, which is somewhere around 21k lah. So for me, a bit potong steam lah. So I think they may need to take some times lah. Okay, if we back to the dailies okay, daily chart HSI is still within the range. Okay, just a bit potong steam lah. As we can see, Thursday they do bounce up quite nicely, but Friday they erase all the gains. Okay, means the market is quite disappointing with their so-called meetings. Okay, maybe. So I guess for HSI tentatively, they might not move so soon. Okay, they might continue sideways within this zone. So bull will still have some chance lah, as long as they are above this level 19750. Okay, then we can still put some hope on them. Otherwise, if they break below them, memang very jialat already lah, very useless lah. Okay, so meanwhile, US market is still very bullish, especially the futures market. Okay, how about the 9988? 9988. Today is 1111 Okay, so what we can see, Friday closing not so good. Okay, today market open gap down, but managed to close high lah. So seems like tentatively found a support here, maybe somewhere around here. Okay, most likely my view is also same with HSI. I would say they might go sideways dulu lah. So as long as they are above $88, I guess still got some hope lah. Just they need some times to go sideways. Okay, so more on ranging at the moment. Okay, how about the MTech? Okay, hold on, let me see. Okay, MTech at the resistance. Okay, for me, this is a place at least, okay, protect some profit. Okay, they already at 122. Okay, tested today, also tested. Okay, for me, no matter how, here is a place for me to take some pressure. And if we base on the volume, you can see, okay, Friday they do push up with volumes, but today, even though the candle is small, but the selling pressure also there lah. Okay, even though the candle is small. Okay, but if you still want to put some hope, then you take note on 120 lah. Close below 120, most likely they hit resistance and they might sell down to 115 or even lower. Okay, stay above 120, maybe still got hope to break above 122. Okay, once they can clear 122, you may see 130, 140, 150 as your R1, R2, R3. KLSE can close up already. I think other than US market most of the country is more on uncertainty lah. Okay, they macam also takut later Donald Trump don't know do what to them. So I guess most country I noticed some of the like UK or DAX, okay, Germans, their indexes performance okay only lah. So I think they also uncertain. Okay, not only Malaysia lah. Malaysia also a little bit shake a little bit lah. So I think let the market digest the news and maybe I think once they have more certainty, then okay. So take some time lah. Okay, so for WCT, so far it's still in the sideway. Okay, as long as above 90 cents, still alright lah. Okay, still alright. Okay, and PBB, Public Bank, more on sideway. Okay, I would say more on sideway. They might trading within 430 to 460. Okay, just go sideways dulu lah. Okay, but overall, if you are long-term holder, mid-term holder, no issue. Okay, only short-term they faces some selling pressure. Okay, only short-term lah. So it's more on some retracement. Okay, TH Plantation profit taking day today. Okay, so what we can see here, TH Plantation one time, two time. Okay, back in somewhere in between May and July, unable to go through 715, and today market, yeah, they do attempt to push out further lah, but you can see today price action. Okay, technical point of view, what we can see, this is a shooting star, high volumes. Okay, so this also might indicate that people started to take profit lah. Okay, and some more is a big volume sell down. So most likely they might come back to test a 690 or 670. So for me here is a place no matter how take some partial profit lah. Okay, then market may come back down to 670, maybe test a support, and yeah, we see how it's going lah. If they can get supported, they still got chance to come back again. Okay, if they break down, then most likely they might come back to 640 lah. Okay, this is just coincident with the FCPO. Just now I do mention. Okay, let me go back with this one. I think the drawing is still here. Yep, just now I just mentioned they already approaching one of the gap resistance. Okay, so it's somewhere around 5253 like that lah. Now already 5196, so it's about 5002 already. So maybe people started. Okay, they don't wait until Zun only take profit. Maybe they started to take some profit already. Okay, so maybe they may face some retracement. Okay, so how about Coraza? Coraza still neutral. Okay, they have a good volume pump in on 6th of November. Okay, but these few days neutral, and today they do have some, yeah, even though the candle closed like neutral lah. Okay, it's a dodgy like candle, but you can see the volume, they do improve lah. Okay, you can see here the volume improve. So I suspect Coraza do have potential to do a bottoming. Okay. Okay, so as long as they are above 375, okay, I guess they do have chance to make a comeback. Okay, maybe they also wait for the market sentiment turn better. They baru jalan lah. So for this, take note, so long above 375, they do have a potential bottoming. Okay, but take note lah, this counter also below 200 MAs. Okay, it's a downtrending counters. So the success rate I would say lower, but watchable lah, watchable. Okay, you know where is your cut loss, then okay already. Okay, below 375, cut loss lah, tak cantik already. Okay, how about the Doufu? Doufu also the same. Wednesday, okay, last Wednesday, they do have volume pump out. But the next 3 days are more on profit-taking activities lah. Okay, Thursday, more volume. Friday, neutral. Today, slightly higher volume. Okay, for Doufu, the structure not as strong as Coraza, but yeah, you still watchable as long as they are above 170. Okay, above 170, I guess still alright. Okay, how about the CEB? CEB surprisingly still alright. Okay, CEB, what we can see? Recently got volume pump up. When retrace down, volume low. Today pump up, volume improve. Okay, looks like CEB still alright. Okay, so long they are above 350. Okay, so long they are above 350, then okay. How about the RL? Okay, surprisingly, RL, they do have some volume recently. Okay, long time no see already. Oh, volume okay, volume okay. So for this one, maybe you take note on 30 cents. For RL, so long they are above 30 cents, I think okay, boleh. Okay, but this counter is quite, I would say it's quite volatile. Okay, once they shoot up, I think it's good for us to maybe take some profit lah, or partial profit. I think somewhere around 350, 360 is a good level to cabut dulu lah. Okay, you can see all this one, they just shoot up, then they cool down already. Okay, so based on the previous behavior, we agak-agak no lah. If they shoot up, then you cabut ready lah. Okay, Ecovest we covered. Okay, how about the YBS? YBS macam rebound habis already. You can see this is a rebound. Macam not much strength lah at the moment. Okay, they not really hit the 200 MA as well. So for this one, if you're still interested with them, take note on 680. Okay, if they break below 680, memang no good lah. Okay, stay above 680, still okay. Tapi this counter is below 200 MA. So I will say, once they break below 680, the sell down will be fast and furious. Oh, this is what I guess lah. Okay, so for me, those who play the rebound trade, supposedly need to maybe take some profit already lah. Okay, so how about the BZ food? Okay, BZ food, the rebound also agak-agak already. So for me, 200 MAs, which is a 530, 540 is a resistance zone. Okay, because if we zoom out, you can see this was a support turned into resistance. Okay, so 530, 540 is a resistance. So for me, here is a place maybe you can consider to take some partial profit. Okay, so but if you still want to hope for the breakout, yeah, still possible as long as they are above 480. Okay, above 480, I guess they still got the strength. Okay, this is push up, this is sideways. Okay, but if they break down, no game. Okay, stay above, still got hope to break above lah. 530, 540. Okay, once they can clear 540, I guess next level is about 580, 60 cents level. Okay, how about the EcoWorld? Oh, EcoWorld tak berapa cantik ya. Okay, short term point of view, tak berapa cantik because they already broke below 20 MA, broke below 180. Okay, somewhere you can see with volume as well. So looks like they already a bit topish. Time for them to have some retracement. Okay, so you can see they already been consolidated here for a couple of days and finally a breakdown. Okay, macam here lah. So based on previous support is somewhere around 100 MAs. So I guesstimate, their next support should be somewhere around 166 like that lah. Okay, we see any chance, any support over there. If not, they might come back down to 152, 153, okay, which is a 200 MA support. Okay, for the strong support, it should be 140 lah. But short-term point of view, I would say they are a little bit bearish. Yeah, here also bearish. Okay, long-term, they are still in a good shape. Okay, mid-term started to turn weakening. Okay, so depends. Okay, you are long-term, short-term, long-term, or mid-term holders lah. Okay, how about the VLB? Okay, VLB new counters 23. So 1 year plus only lah. Okay, so far so good. As we can see, last Wednesday still not that good looking. Okay, but Thursday they made a good comeback. Okay, bullish piercing, volume. Consider bullish piercing. Yeah, consider bullish piercing. Then Friday jalan, today another jalan, breakout 590. So volume so far so good lah. So some will say this is like something like 3 white shoulder or what lah, but doesn't matter lah. Most likely, most importantly is these 3 days got a good volumes and the MACD cross up. So I would say they are still good. Okay, so maybe we need to take note on 580, 565. Okay, 580, 560 lah. Okay, this I can delete already. Okay, due to the volatility, so I expect if they come back to retest, okay, as long as they are above 560, I will say they still got potential to go up further. Tapi if they close below, history may repeat lah. They may come back down to 50 cents level. Okay, so at least this counter is doing uptrending, so I guess it's still alright. Azam Zaya strong debut, don't know can continue. Okay, I don't know which counter. Azam Zaya, oh, really got this counters. Okay, sorry, new counters. I only have 1 day daily candle to analyze. Okay, 50-minute charts. Okay, this morning 9 AM they pump out. Then 430 they do have some volume pump out lah. Okay. 1515, 1630 they do have some volumes. So for this one, okay, I will say 105 lah. Okay, if they close below 105, memang no good already. Stay above 105, maybe still got a chance to test 115 like that. Okay, but if based on daily, I only got one candle to analyze. So yeah, a little bit difficult for me lah. Okay, how about the SP Setia? SP Setia is still alright. Okay, still alright. So for this SP Setia, yeah, they do have a mini hammer over here around 140 like that. So for this case, as long as they are above 134, SP Setia. Okay, I also put in my watch list. Okay, as long as they are above 134, I would say they are still in a good shape, still okay lah. If they break below 134, then we need to review again. Maybe not so good already. Okay, how about the Gold Hub? Gold Hub lah, should be this one. Okay, Gold Hub also is quite a new counters back in July only, so about 3 months. Okay, hold on, let me switch to. I also need to watch US counters. Okay, Gold Hub, they bounced from 980, 1 ringgit. Okay, on Friday with volumes, and Monday today continue to go up. So looks like still alright, but you take note on the resistance 125, 130. Okay, this is a resistance to take note. Okay, but this is a new counter as well lah. Okay, if speaking about the EP, if happen they can retrace down to somewhere around 1 something, then you can consider lah. As long as they don't close below 110, should be alright. Tapi the upside at the moment I see somewhere around 125, 130 lah. If you jump in at 121, your upside limited and your downside is very big. So okay, risk and reward not so worth lah. Okay, how about the return? Okay, return so far still steady lah. Okay, not really jalan to anywhere yet. Okay, so far you can see they come back to test a 1 ringgit and 990 is still supported. So I would say return still alright. Okay, so long they are above 990. VTC. Okay, VTC new counter as well. But I would say they are still okay. Okay, bounce out on 6th of November. Retrace 2 days. Today got volume pump up. Okay, even though by end of day got some profit taking activities. So for this one, take note on 440. As long as they are above 440, should be alright for the VTC. Okay, how about the ECA? ECA nothing, still nothing. I think they need some time lah. Maybe let them form a bottoming lah. Or let them, yeah, indeed they do have some volume at 195 level lah. If you're still interested, then make sure the price is above 195 lah. Okay, above 195 should be alright. But I don't know how long they want to sideway over here. So you need to prepare lah. Holding powers, something like that. Okay, how about the ACME? ACME recently volume pun ada at the bottom 160. Okay, meaning as long as they stay above 160, maybe still alright lah. Okay, maybe still alright for the ACME. But these two are penny stocks. We don't know whether penny trend want to come already or not. Okay, how about the KSL? Tak berapa boleh a bit weak. Today break 200 MAs, and at the moment the price is below all moving averages. Okay, so for this case, KSL, maybe I put 169. Okay, take note this level. If happen they close below 169, they may started to turn downtrend. At the moment, they already have some signal lah. You can see the high is getting lower. Okay, means nobody willing to buy at a higher price. You can see the price is going down. So I will put their last defense here lah, 169. If they break down, I think they might come to 154 or even lower. So these counters you can see the whole structure already no longer that strong. Okay, so they are turning weak lah. Synergy. TH Plantation covered already. Synergy recently, okay, especially on 7th of November, they have a good volume pump out lah. Friday and today is more neutral. So for these counters, if interested, take note around 1, 2, 3. As long as price above 115 should be okay. Okay, if close below 115, then tak berapa cantik lah. Okay, TH Plantation today spotted some so-called shooting star lah. So I would say wait lower. Okay, probably 670 or also possible at 640 level. Okay, so maybe Wednesday we still can review and see lah whether got chance or not. Okay, JPG, okay, JPEG Okay, JPEG is still good lah. Okay, last Wednesday push up. Thursday, Friday more on retracement, low volume. Today another push. Okay, they push all the way to hit 140 lah. Okay, by end of day got a little bit profit taking, but doesn't matter lah. Overall, they are still strong. As long as they are above 125, as long as they are above 125, yeah, the overall structure is still bullish bias lah. Okay, but this is a new counters and they are still super bullish. Okay, UWC, UWC rebounding and at the moment for me, hit my target already lah. Okay, I will put here as my target 280, 286. Okay, and also it's a 200 MAs. Okay, you can see they bounce from here. So for me, no matter how, here is a place to protect some partial profit lah. And if you notice here, the volume and the price, the volume is diminishing. The price go up. Okay, so this is a divergence. Also indicates these few days the push up with lesser buying force. Okay, lesser buyer willing to buy at this price. So you can see the price, the volume is diminishing. So for me, it's time to take some partial profit dulu lah if you already in. Okay, how about the FFB? Okay, FFB, if you are long-term holder, no issue at all. Okay, so far so good. But if you are short-term holder, they are still okay lah, still above 20 MAs. Okay, recently got faced some small profit taking, expecting might retest a 182 level. Okay, as long as they are above 175, short-term still alright lah. Okay, for FFB, quite boring the movement, but steady low, they can slowly go up. Okay, Simprop, short term no good. Okay, you can see they keep tested 155, unable to go through. Recently break down lah, and today also sell down. So I guess they might retest 130 level first. Okay, we see any support over there. Okay, if not, they might come to 120. Okay, this is a Simprop 3 人. Let me see 3个人 really they only went up 3 days only 1, 2, 3. Okay, so too new already let me see 50-minute charts. For 50-minute charts they also not really looking that great lah. Okay, if I put my support here 440. Okay, this is a 50-minute charts, which is a shorter term time frame lah. Okay, you can see this 3 run went up. Okay, this is their support. Seems like they already go back down below 440. Okay, for me, somehow you can see here got a lot of volume supported 440. Tapi they give out to defend this level already. Okay, but this is only 4 days candle lah, so it's quite unfair for me to do analysis. Okay, based on here, I guess they might come back down to maybe stabilize first. Okay, maybe to 40 cents level. Okay, so for me, if you're already in profit, no harm to protect first. Okay, and wait for them to wash down, stabilize, re-enter. Also can lah. This CEB, I think we covered already. Yep, this is okay. How about the DNO? Wow, no good DNO, disappointed also Okay, last week when we review DNO is still good, looking good. Okay, they bounced from 220 Okay, tapi today they break below 220. Okay, closing price 217. Okay, based on here, rebound consider feared already. Consider fear. So I think they might come back down to 207 level lah. Okay, so for me this is consider a fear case lah. Okay, how about the unique? Unique is still alright lah. Okay, even though they don't have much volumes, but I would say, yeah, really not much volumes As long as above 365 I think still okay. HIMS US counters let me see HIMS. Okay, NYSC should be this one. Okay, technical point of view, still alright. Still alright. Oh, okay. This one is a 2021. Okay, it's quite a new counters based on my chart. 2019. So about 4 to 5 years data only lah. Okay, take note here. $25. Okay, back in 2021 they have a rally up to $25. Then they sell down. So this time as well, you can see they tested on June. Okay, hit here, rejected. So 25 I think is a level, maybe maybe protect some yeah, if you aim for the breakout, then we need a daily close above $25. Once they can secure and stay above $25, then should be alright. Okay, then would be a valid breakout lah. So meanwhile, maybe you take note on $20. So as long as they are above about $20, I would say they still have the strength to do a breakout. Okay, Singapore market last week very strong. Financial individual share top 4 got rise more than 7 to 9%. I think Singapore is more on US side lah. I think so. Yeah, maybe they chill for them as well lah. Okay, let's go for the SIPAC. Okay, SIPAC Okay, SIPAC recently break out above 200 MAs, which is somewhere around 80 cents, 815. Okay, so high volume on 6th of November. And these 3 days is more like neutral in my opinion. So for me, no matter how SIPAC, 80 cents is their crucial support. As long as stay above, they might, okay, they do have potential to do a reversal. Okay, tapi if they close below 80 cents, most likely the game is over. Okay, tentatively, if you want speaking about the immediate support, I will put at 835. Okay, due to they have a huge volume on 6th of November. Okay, created over here and created above 835. So we can use a 835 or 830 lah. 830 as our support. Okay, stay above, I guess the momentum should be still fine. Okay, close below, I will say, maybe they will go sideways. Okay, and if below 80 cents, most likely game over lah. Okay. Okay, HIMS, yeah, covered. Petronas Chemical, Beecham Wow, disappointed Previously, my level was 533, they break down. 5 ringgit, they also break down. Okay, so next level, 470. Okay, this is a level back in 2020, September. Somewhere around 470 lah. If you want a more precise, 460 Okay, this is a level back in 2020, September. And if lower, they could go to 350. Okay, if you remember that time, COVID time, the price went all the way down. Oil price also dropped, right? Until negative also. So it's somewhere around 350. Okay, this would be their very bottom. Okay, tentatively we see 460 first. Okay, but these counters are still in the downtrending lah. Okay, still in the downtrending. Okay, SIPAC just now cover already. So 835, 80 cents, you can KIV lah. Okay, below 80 cents, then most likely no good already. Okay, EPB, new counters, sideways low. Okay, first day sell down, now is more on sideways mode. Okay, so nothing much interesting. Okay, until they break out 610 lah. Or break out 60 cents also can. Okay. Until a breakout with volumes, they baru ada opportunity. Otherwise, no lah. Okay, Genting. Ai, susah ah. 4 ringgit fear. I think previous live session I do mention 20 MA memang tak boleh go through So Friday break below not breakout break below 390, which was a strong support back in 223 sudah breakdown So now we put a hope on 380 We see any chance to get supported at 380. Okay, if you are investor, of course you can refer to this level. But if you are trader, not yet. Okay, technical point of view, or if you want to do just a trading, now is not suitable. Okay, because the bear is too strong already. But if you are investor point of view, you want to slowly collect level by level, then you can refer to 380. Okay, but if you just want to buy and sell, then not suitable yet Okay, Genting Malaysia as well, also not strong. Okay, Thursday kena rejected very strongly. Okay, so tentatively their immediate hope is the 2022 November punya support, which is a 215 approaching already 215 217. Okay, if they lagi breakdown is a 195 level. Okay, so we take note At the moment the bear is very strong. So you can KIV on 215, and if you want to get a more cheaper level, or you only got one bullet to shoot then wait lower probably if they break below 215 we could have chance at to enter at maybe 2 ringgit or 195 level. Encomin, wow, performing volume tak berapa banyak. Okay, tapi take note Encomin already near the resistance 110. Okay, now is not really a suitable time to enter, as they already approaching the target 110, and the most I'm seeing is somewhere around 115 So for this case, maybe wait for them to come back. Okay, come back to maybe 104, 105 like that, or 1 ringgit. Okay, tapi if they go below 1 ringgit, memang no good already Masing 179 unable to go through. Okay, so for me, I think short term they not that strong Short term they are not that strong. Okay, I'm seeing they do have potential to have further downside. Okay, for short term point of view you can see this high. The high is getting lower. So some more break below all 20, 50 and 100 MAs. Macam tak berapa ada strength. So I guess they might come back down to 160, 164 level. Okay, we see any buyer when they reach this level. Okay, based on recent performance, I guess even the MACD also doesn't looks good. Okay, so I guess they might come back down a little bit more. Okay, how about SOUN? Okay, Nasdaq. Quite volatile these counters. Hoo-ha like that 2022. This one also back in March. Okay, actually they on Thursday, Friday, they already have a good movement. I would say technical point of view, we can say it's a breakout above $6. Okay, closing price 720. And where's the upside? Maximum $10 I would say. 950 and $10 would be their strong resistance. So nowadays market really crazy Okay, if happen later they open gap out 782 then I feel not so attractive Okay, if happen they can come back down to 7 something or 6 something, I think it's more interesting, as long as they don't break or close below $6. Okay, Theta rebounded Tuesday, Thursday macam tak berapa ada strength. Okay, now they struggle still ada chance Okay, at least they try to recover. Okay, so for Theta, tenor on 145150. Stay above, maybe they still ada some hope lah. You can see the sell down, they try double A, sell down again. Okay, then they try, they sell down again, they try, they sell down again, now they try. Okay, if they can get supported, maybe got chance to make a comeback lah. Tapi if they sell down, then sorry lah, no choice already. They might come back down to maybe 120 level. Okay, Genetech, CB we covered, CB we covered already. Okay, otherwise we cannot finish. Okay, my concern on the Genetech, okay, I do mention before, they do have a good volume pump up. Then the next day, same volume sell down. Okay. So is it the buyer and seller is the same people? Okay, so at the moment, okay, today consider neutral lah. Okay, for me it's neutral. So the hope 80 cents. Okay, for Genetech 80 cents. Stay above, still ada some hope. Break below, no game. Greatech. Yeah, semua sama. Okay, Greatech pump up. I think semua sama lah. 6th of November. Tapi they hit 200 MAs. Now washing down. So for this, we take note this level 216. Okay, if they can get supported, stay above 216. Still got hope lah. Tapi if they break down, then susah already because Greatech also below 200 MAs. So for me, no matter how here 200 MA is a partial profit level lah. Okay, Kobe. How is Kobe? Semua sama. One day show only. Next day kena sell already. So this one also is a, how to say, rebound trader. Make a illusion. Okay, they tell you Malaysia sudah come back. Mana tahu next day they all take profit cabut already. Okay, so this one take note on 128, 125 lah for the Kobe. For me, it's not so good already lah. But if you still want to put hope, 128, 125 lah. Okay, stay above, maybe got chance to pump out again. Tapi if they go below, no game already. But for me, already consider no game because the buyer seller also macam equivalent. Okay, the price macam, I mean the volume macam the same. So it looks like somebody they take the opportunity to push all the tech stocks, and then the next day they earn a little bit, they cabut already. So maybe they also know, ini we also uncertain take profit dulu, cabut. Okay, so for me, if you're still interested take note, make sure the price is above 125 low, maybe ada a little bit hope. Okay, let me see these counters FIMA, FIMA Corporation. Quite illiquid no wonder. Okay, these counters, let me see on the long-term point of view. Okay, long-term, at least this counter is going up lah. Okay, just that what they like to do is after an uptrend, they like to sideways for a couple of years. Okay, you can see they can sideways from 2014 to 2020. Okay, this is they can sideways for 4 to 5 years. So probably okay, based on what I see on the dividends, maybe it's for those who love the dividends lah. Okay, even though after they give the dividends, the price is still going sideways. So consider fair enough lah, fair enough. Okay, after 2020, they do have another trend up, but now continue their sideways zone lah. Okay, just like here they can sideways for 4 to 5 years or 5 to 6 years. So here as well, okay, they also possible sideways for another couple of years. Okay, so recently they do have a pump up with volume as well lah. So based on here, what we need to concern is the resistance only 190. Okay, this is a resistance back in June 2022. So in longer term point of view, we can expect this counter is sideways within somewhere around 162 to 191. Okay, just sideways macam ini lah. Meanwhile, for long-term investor, they collect the dividends lah. Whether good dividend or not, I'm not sure. But at least the trend long-term boleh tahan lah. Okay. HS plant, I think it's a TH plantation now, not H. Yeah, got this one. Sorry, yeah. Oh, this one's okay. This one surprisingly the performance okay, much better. Okay, I can say today they consider EP178. Okay, today consider breakout above 2 ringgit. Okay, which was a strong resistance back then. Okay, was a support then resistance. So maybe you make sure the price stay above 2 ringgit should be alright. Okay, if go below 2 ringgit, you can consider to do the trading stop lah. Okay, next level 210 and 217. Okay, R1, R2. Momentum all okay. Momentum. Okay, I saw mostly sector index already down under MA, so hard to find more games. Yes. Okay, we have lesser choice lah. Okay, I guess I think most of the money flow into US market lah. Or see US market so good already, they all run into there and give out on Malaysia market. Okay, so lesser choice. So I would say our success rate would be lower. Okay, when less participants in the market memang a bit susah to trade, and our success rate would be lower lah. And the chart might be useless due to some support. It's not supported by the real buyer. Okay, let's see Petro China. No good already lah. Already break down 200 MAs. So I guess they might come back down to 550 or 530 level. This is one of the support zone. But trend point of view, you can see these counters already no strength. Okay, even they bounce up. You can see they bounce up also no strength. Break 200 MAs. Currently the price is below all moving averages. Okay, so for me it's not so good looking. Okay, they might come back down to 530 level or even lower. Okay, they started to turn downtrend at the moment, what I see now. Okay, how about the 992? Okay, 992, last hope, Lenovo. Okay, last hope is on the 200 MAs. Okay, if based on the trend point of view, okay, at least these counters are still doing a great job lah. Okay, since 2022, consider these 2 to 3 years consider they are still doing uptrending. Okay, every time they stress test 200 MAs, they still manage to break up. Okay, they still manage to rebound up. So for this one, I guess they still got a little bit hope lah. As long as they don't break below $9, okay lah, maybe got some hope lah. Today also take some chance to get supported. Okay, close above $10. Okay, hopefully they don't break below $9. Break below memang tak cantik lah. Okay, Gamuda. Gamuda, okay, they are still bullish. Okay, long term, mid term, short term, they are still bullish. Okay, the only little concern is they have some profit taking over here on 5th of November. Okay, volume also high also. And these few days actually they don't have much transaction. So they are just a little bit sideways here. So for this case, maybe I will put 870 as the support. If they close below 870, they may face some maybe short-term profit-taking activities. Maybe go to 835 lah. Okay, so depending on your long-term, short-term, mid-term holder lah. If you are long-term holder, no problem, they are still good. Okay, short-term holder, then you need to take note 870. Okay, mid-term holder, no problem, they are still good. Okay, so in short term, you can see they might face some sell down or test 50 MA, then continue go up. So at the moment, what I see is maybe they might come back to test a 50 MA, get supported, maybe continue rest up. Okay, this is what I think lah. This is what I think. Okay, next one. CTOS. Oh, CTOS tak berapa cantik ah. Still kena pressure ah. Okay, CTOS last hope 112, 110. Okay. We see whether can get supported or not lah. 112, 110. And for the resistance, 123, 128. Okay, but for me, CTOS not really in a good shape lah. Okay, they are still doing downtrending. Okay, for PBA, most likely they might slow down lah. You can see their character you can see after they pump out, they wash down, then they sideways. Okay, now they also pump out, they wash down. So I guess most likely they were like that sideways until something happened, they pump out again. So based on here, I guess PBA might come back to retest somewhere around 215 or 2 ringgit level. Okay, for the resistance, 250. Okay, but at least this counter is doing uptrend now, better than CTOS. Gtronic. Ini pun trap semua sama trap I think those operators they want to earn some quick money lah. All pakat dude. All gang out together pump out on this day, next day they sell already. Okay, because no people will have a certainty under Trump. Okay, so this one you can see they pump out 20 MA, sell down already. So not that strong lah, not that strong. So I guess about 530 is a support lah. Okay, if they break below, then you may see more downside lah. Okay, I have seen most of the analysts, I think they are also unsure or uncertainty with the Trump president. So yeah, even ourselves also not sure, right? Okay, so Hue EPA Hue not so good lah. Hue already break down 200 MAs. Okay, they already break down 940. So next support 820. For me, not in a good shape lah. And this counter is quite illiquid. Okay, and based on the bigger trend point of view, this counter is sideways since 2020 December. Okay, so maybe 815. Okay, 815. ABMB. ABMB. Wow, doing very well. Okay, this one today breakout. Yeah, you can see even, although I can say midterm point of view, they are still very good because they supported by the 50 MA. Okay, today with a good breakout with volume as well. Okay, so this one consider a breakout above 460 already. So, yep, still good lah, still good. As long as above 460, yeah, they're still in a good shape. Let me see Investco, whether I can find these counters or not. Yeah, not sure is it these and Defong If it is these counters, I think still alright lah. Still alright. Okay. So they downtrend since 2021 June. Then they more on, you can see this is a downtrend. This is a round bottom. So they have started to turn the trend into uptrend hopefully lah. So immediate resistance also nearby 1880 or 1880 would be their immediate resistance. Okay, once they can break, I guess $20 no problem lah. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, as long as they don't break below $16, yeah, I guess they are still in a good shape lah. Still at a hope. Okay, let me find Van Neck. Okay, I think I couldn't find already. Okay, Van Neck Semicon. Okay, let me find Van Neck Semicon. Okay, sorry, unable to cari these counters. Okay, I skip for the how to say, MyEG first. Okay, MyEG, as I mentioned before, they are just in the sideway. 840, 960. Okay, recently they also bounced from 840 lah. Okay, so far, I would say they are more favored to slightly bearish. Okay, but due to they get supported by 840, so we can say they are more on sideways zone. Okay, until they break below 840, then memang tak cantik lah for the MyEG. Okay, how about the Dayang? Dayang, the trend most likely also habis already because they already below 200 MAs. Okay, so crucial level 208. If they break below 208, I think they will have more downside. Okay, so yeah, if you want to enter, make sure your cut loss is below 208 lah. Okay, somewhere maybe 220 21 something. If you want to enter, you can try with your cut loss below 208. Okay, and for them to make a comeback, they need to go back above 240. Okay, 242, 240 like that. Once they can clear above, then yeah, should be good. Okay, they do have potential to make a comeback. Okay, next one. Penny stocks leh. Okay, this counter you can see they sideway since when? They at here until here since 2022 until now. It's about 2 years already lah. Okay, if you enter now, yeah, since you already enter, so you need to expect they might sideway for another few months, few years also possible. Okay, as long as they are above 8 cents, maybe you still got hope lah. H-Sing, just now cover already. Okay, Hop-Sing lah, right? Not H-Sing. Okay, for me, they consider breakout above 2 ringgit lah. So if you are interested, you can take note 2 ringgit as your immediate support. And cut loss if they go below maybe 195 like that lah. Okay, trade it as a breakup trade. But as I mentioned before, the CPO price already near one of the resistance. Okay, this is also one thing to concern a bit lah. Okay, maybe our market also nothing to goreng. They go goreng all the plantation only. Okay, KBJ is still okay. Okay, you can see since September until now, they are still in the sideways zone. Okay, so yeah, if happen, they can come back to 205 or 2 ringgit. You can KFV lah. Simdabi, Simdabi in a downtrend. They already break down 250 already. So you can see the high, okay, is getting lower and the low also getting lower. So you can see these counters is doing downtrending. And some more they break below 200 MAs already. Okay, for me, tentatively they are weak. Okay, tentatively they are weak. So maybe they might visit somewhere around 221, 220 level. Then we see any support over there. Okay, otherwise they could go as low as 210 already. 210 would be a better support. Okay, so this one is still downtrending. So yeah, no harm. Okay, can wait dulu. Okay, last one DKSH. Okay, let me see what is that. DKSH Malaysia. In liquid counters leh. Okay, 5 ringgit plus, no trader inside punya. Okay, this one I'm not sure what you want to do. If speaking about the trend, I would say the trend is still alright lah. Okay, the only thing is take note on 540, 560, 540 lah, 540 as your resistance. Then 485, 475 as your support. Okay, just like that lah. Okay. BBSB. Quite volatile. This one I would say not that strong. Okay, even though you can see yesterday, Friday lah, they attempt to break up Tapi they resisted by 220. Sorry. They resisted by 215, 225. Okay. Yeah, volume ada, tapi seller pun ada banyak. Okay. Until they can break above 225, then maybe different story lah. Otherwise, they also below 200 MAs. So for me, it's not that strong. And if you're still interested, okay, tenor on 180 low. Breakdown, touch and take. IOI crop. Okay, surprisingly, still alright. Okay, breakout 390. Okay, as long as they are above 390, maybe still okay. Tapi the upside, I will see until somewhere around 40, 405, 406 like that only lah. Okay, how about Celeste? Okay, I couldn't find this counter. Celeste. Okay, maybe Malaysia. CELES. Okay, unable to find. Sorry. Okay, let's go for the Jaya Tiasa. No problem, no problem. US market yet to open, 10:30 now. Okay, so at the moment, Jaya Tiasa today also faces some profit-taking activities. You can see it's a so-called mini. So-called mini shooting star. Volume pun ada. So I guess they also might gonna press down a little bit lah, maybe to 122. Okay. Profit-taking activities, I would say, but the trend point of view, I would say still okay. Okay, maybe short term they might face some profit-taking activities. Okay, but overall still okay as long as they are above 119. Okay, Velesto no good already lah. Okay, ever since they break below 20 cents, no good already, and today they break below 190. So this one, Velesto no good leh. Okay, if you entered 180, okay, consider at the bottom lah. Okay, so your cut loss is below 180 lah. If they go below 180, cut loss lah. Otherwise, they may go to 150 or even lower. Okay, TH Plantation just now covered already. Okay, already time for you to protect some partial lah. Protect some partial. Well, you enter at 740. Okay, a bit hero also. This one like a penthouse already. So for me, let me see on 50-minute charts. Usually a breakout, we better enter after 4 a.m. 4 p.m. is better. You can see based on the 50-minute charts, what we can learn from here. Actually, in the morning. Sorry, actually it's Friday, pump up. 50-minute charts. 2:30 in the morning. Yeah, okay. In the morning, they do pump out with volumes. Okay. So most of the time is a trap lah. But you can see by end of day, after 3 p.m. The seller come out already. So for me, it's not that strong lah. Okay, most likely they might come back down to 690 or 670. Okay, worst to worst, maybe 640. Okay, so for me, you need to plan whether you want to do anything. Okay, I cannot ask you to do anything also lah. But I can tell you, maybe the price may come down to 690 or 670. Worst case, maybe 640. Okay, so so a little bit for more lah, I guess. Okay, BBHB. BBHB neutral lah. They're already below 200 MAs. So the trend sudah habis. So most likely will continue sell. So resistance 780, support 755. Wow, Inno is doing very well. Pump out again. So yep, they already break 2022 April resistance 172. So as long as they are above 172, should be okay. If you're already in, congratulations. You use 172 as your trading stop. Okay, yes, plantation will have correction already up for 9 weeks. Okay, what I concern the most because plantation I mean CPO price okay, it is like more on commodities. Okay, commodities is like quite how to say uncertain. I mean the price the fluctuation is very fast, up and down very fast. Okay, at the moment we see the trend is good going up They can turn down overnight. Okay, due to some news, maybe the weather no good or what. Okay, or maybe the soybean or something like that. Okay, they might reverse overnight. So they do have some risk. Okay, just like the oil price as well. Okay, ONG. Okay, they might have war over the night, and the price will go out, spike out. Maybe the next day they say okay, already peace. Then the price come down again, or they increase the supply. So it's quite how to say manipulative lah. Okay, so yeah, if you earn some, then protect some profit and takes another half to fight lah if you really want. Okay, but you don't chase the price when at the end of the trend already lah. Or people already follow up for a few weeks. Then if you baru masuk a little bit risky lah. Okay, MHC. Okay, this counter is quite illiquid in my opinion. Okay, since they already spike up, okay, make sure the price above 1 ringgit, then should be alright. Okay, at the moment they are at one of the resistance about 104. Okay, which is today closing price. Then next level is about 110 lah. Okay, make sure the price above 1 ringgit should be alright. Okay, today also overrun already. So thank you for those who staying up until now with us. If you yet to click a like, okay, please help us click like, okay, especially Facebook not enough lah. Okay, and also YouTube also can lah. Okay, if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code and scan and join in lah, or on and off. If I have any updates, I will updates over there. Okay, and also thank you Sifu for having me here. Okay, so if you yet to download Sifu apps, they are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have an interactive live chat. For those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. Okay, so and thank you everyone, and see you on Wednesday lah. Okay, thank you.